Airtel Imagine 4G niyo smartphone ihendutse kurusha izindi. Yizinga uhabwa iminota na SMS utamara ku mirongo yose. Unahabwe gigabyte 30 za internet ya 4G. Nihenze kuko iraboneka ku mafaranga 20,000 gusa. Utegereje iki? Gana ku iduka rya Airtel rikwegereye uyibikeho nonaha. Ikaze ku murongo wa Airtel. Airtel, a reason to imagine.
Ku nshuro ya mbere igihugu cy'u Rwanda cyagaragaje intwaro zikorerwa mu Rwanda ku bufatanye na Remiko. Uruganda rwa Remiko cyangwa se Rwanda Engineering and Manufacturing Corporation. Iyi ni sosiyete y'igihugu ikora ibikoresho bya gisirikare mu Rwanda. Dore bimwe mu bikoresho bya gisirikare bikorerwa mu Rwanda cyangwa se intwaro za gisirikare zikorerwa mu Rwanda. Inyuma yuko igihugu cy'u Rwanda cyakiriye inama ya ISCA 2025 cyangwa se International Security Conference on Africa 2025 umutekano muri Afrika, inama yabereye muri Kigali Convention Center. Nyuma yo kandi Vice President of China dore uko yavuze nyuma yo gutembera Kigali ndetse anavuga kuri Afrika muri rusange.
It's my first visit to this great country of Rwanda, but I'm sure it will not be my last. Just like all of you, I listened very carefully to His Excellency President Kagami's important speech. I cannot agree with him more when he said African security cannot be outsourced. I think President Kagame is not only a great leader of Rwanda, he's a great leader of Africa, and is a great statesman in the world of today. Now, when you say you cannot outsource security to other countries, in a sense, it means Africa need to use your own brain power to make up your own judgment. When I traveled a little bit in Rwanda yesterday in Kigali, let me tell you my real observation. I think Kigali is in better shape today compared with China back in 1978. When China started to reform and opening to the outside world, attracting FDI into China. The philosophical point I want to emphasize is that if China can do this in 46 years, Rwanda and Africa can do it in the coming 4 decades or so. Have faith in yourself. Keep faith in yourself. China is a success story which can be repeated by the great people here in Rwanda and the great people here in Africa.
Abahanga muri politike bamaze kugaragaza ko umugabane wa Afrika wamaze gutera imbere cyane muri politike, kandi ko mu minsi iri imbere nta munyafrika uzongera kwifuza kujya gutura ku mugabane w'Uburayi cyangwa se muri Amerika.